Finches are small, colorful birds known for their cheerful nature and beautiful songs. They belong to the Melodious family and are found in various habitats worldwide. These birds are highly social and prefer to live in flocks, making them great companions for bird enthusiasts. One of the most fascinating things about finches is their diverse beak shapes, which are adapted to different diets, including seeds, fruits, and insects. Their bright feathers and playful behavior make them a joy to watch, whether in the wild or as pets. Finches are also known for their melodious singing, especially the males, who use their songs to attract mates. They are low-maintenance pets, requiring a spacious cage, fresh water, and a balanced diet to thrive. These tiny birds symbolize happiness, freedom, and positivity, bringing joy to anyone who watches them. Whether in nature or at home, finches are truly a delight. Would you consider keeping a finch as a pet? Let us know in the comments.